Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing two easy ways to make Ragi Roti. Making Ragi Roti is very easy and it takes just under 5 to 10 minutes to make Ragi Roti. You can enjoy Ragi Roti for breakfast, lunch or dinner with any side dish of your choice. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make diabetic friendly Ragi Roti, I have already chopped one medium sized onion, a handful of coriander leaves, one medium sized carrot which I have grated, 1 teaspoon grated ginger, 2 green chilies finely chopped. Green chilies you can increase or decrease to suit your taste, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Into a bowl I am adding in 1.5 cups of ragi flour. Ragi is also known as finger millet and Nachni in Hindi. Add in pink Himalayan salt as needed, 2 fat pinches of jeera also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, a big fat pinch of black pepper powder. When you're using turmeric, try to add at least a pinch of black pepper powder for better assimilation of turmeric. I'm just lightly mixing this up. Ragi is a whole grain and it is gluten free. It is rich in fiber and helps in weight loss, and it is an excellent diabetic friendly food. It is packed with calcium, good carbs, amino acids and vitamin D. Add in the ginger, grated carrot, chopped coriander leaves, chopped onion and green chilies. Add in the fresh curry leaves. So I'm just tearing the curry leaves and adding in. Curry leaves are a good source of iron and folate. Hence I prefer to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't have fresh curry leaves at hand, you can totally omit it. Mix this really well with your hand. Add in 1 cup of hot boiling water little by little. Just mix this well. So this is hot boiling water. And once it has cooled down, lightly mix it. So the dough is of a spreadable consistency. To make the first method, I am taking a ball-sized dough and I am just rolling it in my hand like this. Sprinkle some water on the banana leaf and place the dough on the center, and with wet hands flatten the roti into a round circle. Flatten it as thinly as possible and make sure you wet your fingers to flatten it out, otherwise the roti will stick to your hand. And now make a small indentation in the center. I have heated my cast iron tawa and I am greasing it with gingerly oil. Now reduce the flame to the lowest. Place the banana leaf roti side down onto the hot cast iron tawa. Let it stay there for about 30 seconds. And then slowly peel off the banana leaf. Drizzle in little wood pressed coconut oil in the center and on the sides. Now for the better absorption of fat soluble vitamin like vitamin D, you need a good source of healthy fat like desi ghee or wood pressed oils. Cover and let it cook on low flame. After about 2 minutes, let's open the lid and carefully flip it over. And allow it to cook on that side as well. Healthy fat also helps to reduce the glycemic index, so do not skip using healthy fat in your diet. After about 2 minutes, flip it over again. And healthy ragi roti is ready to serve. Now to make the second method, I'm placing a cast iron tawa on the stove top and I'm not heating the stove. Without heating the stove, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon wood pressed coconut oil on the tawa, and with my hand I'm just greasing the tawa. Take a ball sized dough and roll it in your hand like this and place it on the center of the cast iron tawa. Now dip your hand in water and spread the roti into a round circle as thinly as possible. Make sure you are spreading with the wet fingers or else the roti will stick to your hand. This is a very easy and simple way to make ragi roti. You can enjoy this roti for breakfast, lunch or for dinner. And with this recipe you can make 4 ragi rotis. So once it has spread into a round circle, make a small indentation in the center and then turn on the gas stove. Drizzle in little bit of wood pressed coconut oil in the center and on the sides and in the middle as well. Cover and let it cook on low flame for about 2 to 2.5 minutes. After about 2 minutes, open the lid and carefully flip it over. Now another important thing is you should use a well seasoned cast iron tawa or else the roti may stick to the tawa. So since my cast iron tawa is well seasoned, the roti will not stick to the tawa. And so just flip it over. And let it cook this side as well. After about another 2 minutes, flip it over again. And my quick, easy and healthy ragi roti is ready to serve. Ragi roti is very soft and you can enjoy it with the chutney or any side dish or even pickle. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know which is your favorite method of making ragi roti. Do comment below and let me know. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.